Welcome, my name is Georgine and I'm here today to give you 5 tips to help you cultivate a home practice. So tip number 1 is make it so you have a space that you can get ready in under 5 minutes. So what I mean by that is having a space that you have your props, your mat, whatever you need, super easily accessible. I initially had all my things in a closet, and it just added that extra layer and made it so I didn't practice at home as much. So now I have it all on a shelf, and I have my mat right there. Just roll up my mat, get my props going, and I practice a lot more often. Tip number 2 is make an appointment with yourself, because it's so easy to just write on your to-do list, practice, like do a strength workout, do something at home. But if you actually schedule a timeout for yourself, it just makes such a difference. Because if you made an appointment with like a friend for coffee, would you just like not show up? Probably not. But we can sort of push our own schedule around. So give it a try. This next one I just started doing for my own home practice is create an awesome playlist for yourself and play it while you're practicing at home. I always just thought, get on the mat, get the workout or stretch or practice in without any music. But now I have a little setup, just press play, create a few new playlists each month. And if you need some inspiration, head over to my website, georgineyoga.com, and I have a few good playlists you can take from me from my Spotify playlists. Tip number 4 is a less obvious one. It's letting your roommates or partner or whoever is in the space you'll be practicing in, let them know that you have a 20, 30 or an hour practice, and just like that's your time just to be. Because sometimes if you're practicing, it's super easy to just be like, oh, okay, I can just do this. I'll just stop in the middle of this and get going. But yeah, give that one a try. So tip number 5, the last tip, is finding out why you want to practice. Because I think I should, it's a New Year's resolution, I should practice every day. I don't find that super sustainable for me right now. So I'm going back to school to learn a little bit more about the body and exercise science. So I'm practicing like a lot differently these days. So my intention is to counter all of the long study hours I have. I need a lot more in back, shoulders, and hips. Before it was a lot more strength. So finding what's bringing you to the mat, and that makes it so much more like motivating to get on the mat, because you're like, I'm doing this for this, not sort of like one day I'll be like whatever, it doesn't matter. So find your why. So thanks for listening in. I'm going to be doing a little bit more kind of tutorials and tips each month, as well as 10 to 20 minute practices. So if you want to get on that mat, check out one of my other videos. I have strength, stretch, core, I have everything. Okay. Until next time, my name's Georgine. Thanks.